Carrie Decker, Operations Manager. I deal pretty much directly with the daily activities, any kind of operations that are going on here, from the scheduling to the trucks that are going out, the routes that we're running. And then I also deal with Lennox Transfer Station and Pittsfield Transfer Station. I actually owned a bakery before jumping into this business. I had closed up shop. I was kind of tired of the 3 a.m. mornings, which now I've jumped right back into anyway.
She's been great to work with. Wealth of knowledge, always willing to jump in and help. I mean, numerous times we've had to call out on a route, and Carrie has no problem jumping in on the back of a truck and going to help out. Great asset to the team.
It is challenging in the respect that there aren't very many females that are in this industry, which just kind of makes me push even harder. I'll jump on the back of the truck if we're down a laborer and we need somebody to, help out on a route. I always push myself, I feel like, a little bit more to make sure that the guys know that, hey, I'm on your side and I'll do whatever I can do to help you out also.
When I found out they were going to hire Carrie for the operations manager, I was tickled to death. As a manager, she's fantastic. If I ever have an issue, I can go to her and we usually get it resolved in no time. She's been in this industry for a while, so she knows problems arise, how to correct them.
This is a great group here. Everybody from the drivers to the mechanics to the laborers to dispatch and everybody.
Always out in the field, helping out wherever can. Down at the transfer station, helping out there, helping deliver totes, doing observations on drivers, make sure people are doing the right thing. You won't find her in the office much.
I love my job, and I can really honestly say I love my job. I love the challenges that come with it. I love the challenges of trying to schedule roll-off, make sure that we're being productive enough. And I love the daily hustle and bustle. I want this division to be the most successful in Casella. I want our bottom line to be amazing, and I want everybody to look at Cheshire and say, wow, we need to do what Cheshire's doing. We need to look as good as Cheshire, and I think it's a great place to be.